Alright you guys, me and my dad are going to take this aluminum boat out, see if we can get on some largemouth bass, maybe some smallmouth bass, panfish, if anything else. Just see what happens. There's a fish. There's a fish. Smallmouth. Good smallmouth, Dad. Good smallmouth on the Hellgrammite. Holy crap. That's a nice smallmouth. Yeah, I'm recording. That's a good smallmouth. Oh my goodness. In the net. In the net. In the net. Look at that smallmouth. Wow. Look at that fish. That's a good fish. I got it. I gotta see it. Look at that one. Zeroed out. .08.
Huh?
1.08. Just over a pound, barely. I have to get a picture of this guy. Alright, so the wind out here is just a little too crazy. So we decided to beach the aluminum boat for a second and just kind of bank fish for a second, see what happens. There's a fish. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. It's a good largemouth. Heck yeah, guys. Check that guy out. Absolutely. Healthy bass. Probably about 1.75 pounds. Thank you for biting, sir. Yeah, I saw about 5 of them. Right where we're at right now. Get away from my dock. Fish. Fish.
Yeah, big mouth.
Stuck them good. There we go. Little largemouth. Oh, keep both sides. He's probably 14. Oh. Oh, I got a fish. Smallmouth. It's a largemouth, but he's got those red eyes. I swear these are like hybrid fish or something. They got these red eyes, they got smaller mouths, but the colorations look like a largemouth. So there's a tunnel over here, and it goes through to the other side, connects the bodies of water. Huh? Yeah, this is cool.
Drag it across here and you get your ass. You got the bobber hang behind you?
Yeah. I know, that looks awful. Fish. Smallmouth. Yeah, they're so golden. Yeah, I got a smallmouth. Now I'm stuck on a tree. Got a fish. Got a fish. Largemouth. She was skin hooked. It's a nice fish. Gizzard shad. Oh, I got another fish. I got another fish. Smallmouth. That's a smallmouth. A little tiny dude. Alright, you guys, there's another smallmouth, a little tiny one. A little fatty. It must be over here on these rocks. There's a lot of rocks over here. Fish? Fish? That's a fish. It's another largemouth. I got 4-pound line on here. 4-pound line. That's a better fish. That's a better largemouth. That's a little chunker. Am I recording? Yep. It's a good fish. Probably 1 3/4 or almost 2 pounds. I need to make my outro before my camera dies. There's a fish. He's head shaking like crazy. A little fatty. Largemouth. What was that? He ate it. He ate it while I was reeling it in, Dad. Oh, big smallmouth. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm recording, yes. Dude, that's a tank. Holy crap. Oh my god. Look at that fish. Oh. Pictures. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He ate it while I was reeling it in. Look at that smallmouth. Let's get a weight on him. Zeroed out. One and a half. 1.52. No, it's not even a half. That'd be 1.8. Almost 1.5 pounds. That's a beautiful fish. Let's get a release on this screw. Wow. Are you kidding me? That was on the NIKKO Baits Helgramite with a Z-Man mushroom head, Ned head. That's another one. Maybe not. Yeah, he's running with it. That's another one. Is that a smallmouth? No, that's not a smallmouth. Is that another big one? That's another, no. That's a largemouth. He's a good one though. They're over here bedding. Maybe it's that chartreuse Ned head that you have on there. I'm serious. It could be something that stupid. Look at that. It's a good one. We'll get a weight on this one too. Just because I bet he's not over 2. Yeah, 1.16, so not even 1 1/4. There you go. What's the one that I'm using? The Z-Man. It could be the weight of that one or anything. This one will fall a little bit slower. That one looks a little heavier. Are we chilling right here? Doesn't look like we're moving much. I bet when it gets warmer, they're gonna be bedding over here. Yeah, there's another one right there. There's another fish right there, running straight at me. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better, no, that's a largemouth. There's another one. I'm throwing it as close to the bank as possible, and then I'm just kind of letting it sink, and then I'm just lifting up on it a little bit, or like twitching it a little bit. It's like super slow. But I think, I don't know. I'm not seeing them anymore. Feeling them. There's a fish. There's a bite. There's a bite. There's a fish. Not in the tongue. I mean, they're all small, but they're healthy. They're healthy. They're eating. There's another one. Roof of the mouth. It's a nice fish. Little fat guy. They're all about 1.5 pounds, 1.25 pounds. Alright guys, we got a fish on. I only got 4% battery life. Oh no, broke him off on the 4-pound. No, that's what you get. Damn, that's gonna be stuck in his mouth now. Now he'll shake that out, hopefully. I should have retied. I done caught so many fish, should have retied. Alright you guys, as you can see, we are still out on the water, but I'm gonna go ahead and make my intro just in case I run out of space on this SD card, or in case I run out of batteries. So thanks for watching. We got on a bunch of largemouth, a bunch of smallmouth. I caught one bluegill so far. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my fishing videos, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks guys.